The same thing. It's the same phone. Are you saying it? I've been trying to unbox this phone, but I was so busy. So guys, I am going to be unboxing my new phone today. I am having this one. I am having another one that I'm using to vlog this video, you know. I am using Note 10 Plus to vlog this video, while I have this S23 Ultra. Not that the phone have issue, the phone is very good in terms of camera. It's very clear. It's like a normal camera when we are using it to vlog, you know. So if I just make some like few videos and photos, before you know, they'll be telling me that my space is full, my space is full. So for the past 1 week now, I have not been able to make videos. It's my old video that I've been trying to upload, you know. I still have a lot here that I've not uploaded, you know, because of that thing now. So this one is not allowing me to make video. As you can see, it's just big, you know. I don't even know what makes me to go take 252, I think 252 GB. I don't even know what pushed me to go take that one. It's because of the 552 GB was a bit expensive, you know. I don't think I will buy phone that is not up to 500 or something GB. So that's just it, guys. So that's why I go for, it's still the same phone that I'm going for, you know. But this one that is here is still S23 Ultra, but is a bigger MB, you know. So this one here, the new one is 500 or something MB. Why this one is 250 something MB, you know. So I just decided to go for this 512 MB, you know, because this 512 MB, it has a lot of space more than this, okay. But I am also going to be using this one to support it. I have called the company that I bought this one from, so they say I should wait when the phone is close to 1 year. That's when they will now upgrade the space for me. That from now they are not allowed to do it now, that I should wait. As soon as the phone is 1 year and 6 months, I should call them back so that they'll upgrade the MB for me. So that is why I just decided to go for a new one, you know, but it's still the same phone. So unbox with me, guys. I received this package, I think on Wednesday, or no, on Wednesday. Since then, I've not been able to open this package because of one or two things. I was so busy, and this phone is stressing me out, you know. It's stressing me out. So this is how it comes. So this is my phone. I even go to the shops to look for exact the phone, you know, but the phone was so expensive in the shop, you know. Do you know how much they tell me in the shop? I think it's 1,500 or something for 512 MB. That was a bit expensive for me, you know, because I like buying my things cash, except this one. So this one you are seeing now, I bought this one cash. I did not pay small, all those monthly payment. How did they call itself? I didn't pay. I didn't use instrumental to pay this one, except this one, you know. This one is instrumental. But this one, I bought this one cash in Amazon. Okay, as you can see, it's brand new one. Okay, so this is the receipt, and this receipt, I am not going to throw it away. I am going to keep it well, because if I'm making my calculation, so I have to use this one to make my calculation. Okay, mostly when the years want to end, because I'm a self-employed. All right, but new thing is good though. Are you seeing it? It's new, S23 Ultra. I wanted to go for S24 Ultra, but just that is what my husband is using. The camera is not that great, you know. The camera is not that shiny. It's not great. Sorry, S23 Ultra camera is better than S24 Ultra camera. I have tried it too. Okay, that's why I'm giving you the results. I've tried my husband's phone to make video. The camera is not that, but my camera is better. My husband also confirmed, even where they are selling phone, there's one shop that I enter last for this video that I upload, you know, when I go to buy a phone, you know. So the video that I upload last, so that's where my husband bought his phone from. Even the guys, he confirmed it. He told me to go for S23 Ultra because, you know, so he have a good background, and I don't know, the camera grade is the best. So that's why the guy now asked me to go for S23 Ultra, because their camera is great, is nice, you know. So let's unbox it. You know, new things, they sweet for body. For the past 3 days, I've been trying to unbox this phone, but I was so busy. Are you saying ne cha 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 cha, you know? So I am going to pack everything there. My new phone. Okay, I have to still remove this thing here, you know, because it's new. I think I have to cut it. So at least this my own now. This my own is now having supporter. So this one will be supporting this one. Okay. I wanted to give this phone to Christopher, but I'm still waiting. Maybe when S25 Ultra comes. So if the camera is better than S24 Ultra, so I'll give Christopher this phone. I will just gift this one to Christopher. I'll give this one to Christopher because it's new phone. I protect it very well. I'll give this one here to Christopher. And the color, never mind the color, but I'm going to be giving it to Christopher very soon. I don't want to go for S24 Ultra, you know, because that's what my husband is using. So I don't really like their camera. I'm not saying the phone is not good, though. The phone is good, but it's not for me, you know. Are you seeing it? Okay, let's start with this one. The phone looks so. Okay, we have to remove this one. Ah, I'll keep everything like this. So, in case if this phone have issue, I have to package everything to them. You know, so this is how it's looking like. Are you seeing it? So this is how it looks like. So this is how it's looking like. This is the back. So it's the same phone. There's no difference. It's the same. It's the same. It's the same. I wanted to buy S24 Ultra, but I have pink and lila, and this I have to on it. Are you guys seeing it? It's loading. In this place, and when you on phone, you don't hear any noise. No. So it came like this. So I have to change the language now because we are in Deutschland. So the language is in Dutch. So I have to put it in English. English. I need to put it in English. Then start, agreed. I have to start content. So guys, that's why you are not seeing video in the other of my page, because my phone was giving me issues. I have to delete all the video, but the video are important to me, so I don't want to delete those videos. It's better for me to just be editing them small, then I will be uploading, you know.